Thank you very much, Chair. Like you've heard, the transport sector is usually one of the key areas in terms of not just transmission of the virus, but also in terms of mitigation measures. So for us, at the very beginning, we determined that 90% of all the traveling we have in this country is through the public transport. And so we cannot discuss about our kids being in school without discussing about how they'll get to school. And so because of that, in the last 2 days, we've been engaging the key stakeholders in the public transport sector, including the Matatu Owners Association, with whom we have agreed that tomorrow they will have very robust measures put in place. We are aware we are still in the festive season, and this is a season when we have a lot of accidents. The last thing we want to do is that before the kids get to school, we have these, God forbid, accidents along the way. So we've agreed with the chairman of Matatu Owners Association 3 things. Number 1, all the drivers will be tested for alcohol. We shall not allow anybody getting into those vehicles who has been drinking in the previous 1 or 2 days. Secondly, we have also made sure that these drivers will not drive long distances, because by doing so, they get fatigued and they cause accidents along the way. Thirdly, we have agreed that they will not hike the fares. We appreciate that and recognize the fact that parents are coming from a very difficult period whereby they are constrained economically. The last thing we want is them to be overcharged in terms of the kids going back to school. So in terms of Matatu sector, that's what we agreed. Secondly, to complement the Matatu sector, we have looked at the railway system which we have. We have the SGR, we have the MGR. And what we agreed with the Kenya Railways management is that tomorrow being Monday, when the kids are going back to school, we shall double the capacity of our inter-county trains. Every day, in normal days, we have 1 train coming from Mombasa and 1 train coming from Nairobi. We have made sure that now we have 2 pairs, 2 trains coming from Mombasa and 2 trains coming from Nairobi. And these trains will be inter-county. We want to emphasize that because our kids will be leaving Nairobi, for example, going to Machakos schools, going to Mutito Aderi schools, and so forth. Tomorrow, we shall not have express train. All trains coming to Nairobi and vice versa, they'll be actually stopping in the 7 stations along Mombasa-Nairobi highway. Also, we have looked at the MGR. You're aware, recently we did rehabilitate the line from Nairobi to Nanyuki. And tomorrow at 9 a.m., we shall have a train ready from here to Nairobi, from Nairobi, all the way to Nanyuki, which will be carrying about 1,500 of our students and their parents. And then lastly, also we have directed Kenya Railways tomorrow to make sure we have full capacity of our intra-city commuter rail. We have 20 trains running tomorrow to make sure that students going around in the Nairobi metropolis have no problem. That will allow us to move at least 60,000 passengers, majority of them will be children tomorrow, to make sure they get to school safely and on time. Thank you.